How to fix Discord FPS drop. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have now to go directly to apps. On apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will open now just Discord. When you open it, now go to storage. Click on clear data, click OK, go back and click on force stop and click OK. The last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.